Cloudy or milky water is most commonly caused by at least one of these 5 things: scaling, bad water balance, water saturation, low sanitizer level, or high cyanuric acid level. We know it can be pretty confusing, but don't worry, we'll take you through it step by step. If the jets or hot tub surface feel rough, then it's probably a scaling problem. We have a separate video to help you solve that issue. Now first, check the pH and sanitizer levels. Correct them if needed, and wait a little while. In most cases, the problem will be fixed. If the levels are okay after an hour, but the problem is still there, then try to add a flocculant or clarifier. This will cause small particles to get big enough to be filtered out, in which case the water will clear up. If that didn't work, then the water is probably saturated and you'll need to renew it. Have you been adding a lot of chlorine but not getting results? Then the cyanuric acid level is probably too high, and the only option is refilling your hot tub. Try our O-Care app for more details. And if you want to make your spa experience more natural and better, try O-Care Weekly Spa Care.